What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1970 Plymouth Satellite. This is a Roadrunner clone, and they did a good job. It's a beautiful car inside and out. 440 under the hood. Definitely check out the walk around video I just made. It'll be linked up to the end of this one, the last 30 seconds. Easiest way to find it. Just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. You can do that with any car that we have up here on the lot. MapleMotors.com offers financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures. We're on a lot of social media here. I think somebody up here just made a TikTok, so check that out. Just type in Maple Motors on there. You'll be able to find us on Instagram, Facebook, all over YouTube. All right, guys, hit that subscribe button because it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, kind of check everything out before we take off. Go ahead, place your bet. So you think the horn works on this one? Little game we like to play on this channel. Checking out the dash, it's in great shape all the way over. Just try to start her up. She starts up nice and easy. So you got your gauges coming up here. Motor's still cool at the moment. Gas gauge came up. Wipers still work. Blower motor cutting on. It's on defrost right now. Radio, I couldn't get it to do nothing. I don't know. It's just old school solid state Chrysler radio. It's just not cutting on. It's showing 2,400 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind that. This is a 70 model, so. Try the horn, y'all ready? It's kind of funny. Interior's in good shape. You know what I think we should do? Hit the road. All right, let's get the seatbelt on. Adjust it. We'll get ready to go here. I will point out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're getting before you drive down here. That's why we do these videos. Should be a fun test drive. Let's take off. Coming up on the dash. The car is going straight down the road, not pulling left or right. Steering's tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. It's pretty good. Hooked up. The brakes are feeling pretty good. Stopping fast. It's not pulling to the left or right. I noticed that temperature gauge has not came up on here yet. I'm gonna say it does not work. Signals are popping up on the dash. On both sides. I do hear an exhaust leak. down, but everywhere I look, police are hanging out. There's one right there in my normal parking lot. I don't know if y'all noticed, I had one driving beside me the whole time. Shifted down. Let's try it again. We'll get going about 25 here. Yeah, kick down is hooked up on this one. That's pretty good. Back here in the park, get some outside photos. The lake is jumping today. We'll drive by the camera, let you see what it sounds like from the outside. If you want to see my gear below, I got everything down there. It's all Amazon links. It's all stuff that I've actually bought from, so I use that gear. I use GoPro 7s to create all these videos too. So. Alright, we'll bag it up just a little bit. Let's get these shots. Alright guys, get y'all set up, adjusted in here, maybe pull you down just a little. See if y'all can see around. I want you to be able to see the dash and the road. Let's get it. Car's been sitting here idling for a while. It's not overheating, it's running good, staying nice and cool. Let me get y'all in the driver's seat here and hit the road. It's got a nice smooth ride to it. Feels like you're driving a boat floating down the road. This road here is a pretty moderate speed bump in the middle of it, and you won't even notice it in this car. I'm passing over it right now. We're good to go, guys. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this all the time. We got a lot more cars to get to this week. I know we have bought a ton, and we plan on doing that every week from now on. If you like my music, top right hand corner, you can go over to my music channel. All the intros are made by me and my band. And if you don't like it, I don't want to hear about it. Appreciate y'all riding. Thanks again, guys. Go ahead and check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures, all of our inventory. We update that every Monday. After you've watched the test drive video and the walk around video of this car, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help y'all out. You can look up any of our cars on the lot by typing in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. You'll be able to see all the test drives. Lots of new stuff going on this week. Appreciate y'all watching. Let's get it.